Today's lesson, conductors and its classification. In this lesson, we are going to learn classification of conductors in detail. So, let's begin. First of all, electricity. What is electricity or current? Electricity is a kind of power which is produced from the flow of electrons through substances. That is, flow of electrons through substances. Now let's see classification of substances according to electrical conduction or electrical conductivity. Substances. According to electrical conductivity, substances are classified into two groups. One is electric conductors and another one is electric non-conductors or insulators. Let's write the terms. Electric conductors, the substances through which electricity can pass, and another one is electric non-conductors or insulators. The substances through which electricity cannot pass. Those substances are called insulators or electric non-conductors. For example, glass, rubber, plastic, etc. Now let's see classification of electric conductors in detail. Electric conductors, the substances through which electricity can pass. Those substances are called electric conductors. For example, copper, zinc, iron, etc. These electric conductors are classified into two groups first. One is electronic conductors and another one is electrolytic conductors. Electronic conductors, the metallic substances through which electricity can pass by mobile electrons. These substances are called electronic conductors. These electronic conductors are of three types. Those are good conductors, semiconductors, and superconductors. Good conductors, the substances through which electricity can pass easily. For example, all metals, graphite, etc. Semiconductors, the substances that have the property between conductors and insulators. For example, silicon, germanium, etc. And now superconductors, metal alloys and oxides of metal alloys through which electricity can pass almost without any electric resistance. Those conductors are called superconductors. For example, niobium, germanium alloy, yttrium, barium, copper oxide alloy. Each of the superconductors has a temperature below which These conductors can conduct electricity without any electric resistance. For example, for this conductor, Tc is equal to 23.2 Kelvin, and for this conductor, Tc is equal to 90 Kelvin. Tc is here superconducting transition temperature. Up to this temperature, this conductor can conduct electricity without any electric resistance. This temperature is called superconducting transition temperature. Now let's see about electrolytic conductors. Here, electrolytic conductors or simply electrolytes. This is of two types. One is strong electrolytes and another one is weak electrolytes. Strong electrolytes like sodium chloride, potassium hydroxide, etc. The substances which ionize in water completely, those substances are called strong electrolytes. Here, sodium hydroxide, which is dissolved in water. Suppose this is 0.1 molar, then all the molecules ionize to sodium ion and hydroxide ion. This is almost 100%. That is why this electrolyte is called strong electrolyte. That means strong electrolytes ionize almost 100%. Now let's see weak electrolytes. For example, acetic acid. Acetic acid, which is dissolved in water. Suppose this is 0.1 molar as well. Then it ionizes to acetate ion and proton. Here 0.1 molar acetic acid, only around 5% molecules ionize to acetate ion and proton. This is only around 5%. That is why this is called weak electrolytes. One more point, that is non-electrolytes. Non-electrolytes, the substances which do not ionize in water in aqueous solution and cannot conduct electricity. Those substances are called non-electrolytes. For example, glucose, sucrose, alcohol, liquid hydrocarbons, etc. Some of the compounds make solution in water but do not ionize in water. Because of the no ionization in water, these compounds cannot conduct electricity, because electrolytes conduct electricity through mobile ions. For these substances, no mobile ions are produced. That is why these substances cannot conduct electricity, and these substances are called non-electrolytes. This is all about conductors and its classification. No more today. Thank you very much.